Ford Everest 2025. Here is a detailed overview of the 2025 Ford Everest, its key features, engine and performance specs, dimensions and capacities, technology and comfort, safety and capability. Engine and performance. The 2025 Everest offers multiple engine options depending on region. 2.0L twin-turbo or bi-turbo diesel 4CYL producing approximately 154 kilowatts, approximately equals 207 horsepower and approximately 500 Newton-meters of torque. 3.0L V6 turbo diesel in some markets producing approximately 184 kilowatts, approximately 247 horsepower and approximately 600 Newton-meters torque. In some regions, a 2.3L EcoBoost petrol engine producing about 296 horsepower and 420 Newton-meters torque. Transmission and drivetrain. Full-time or selectable 4WD in many markets, 10-speed automatic in higher specs. Fuel economy for the 2.0L diesel, about 7.1-7.2L 100 kilometers in some test cycles. Towing and off-road. In markets where the V6 and full 4WD are offered, weighting depth of up to approximately 800 mm and strong towing capacity. Dimensions and capacities. Length, approximately 4,914 mm. Width, approximately 1,923 mm. Height, approximately 1,837-1,841 mm depending on variant. Wheelbase, approximately 2,900 mm. Ground clearance, in one spec approximately 226 mm. Unladen weight for V6 variant, approximately 2,488 kilograms in one region. Seating, 7-seater, 3 rows. Boot luggage space Australia spec with all 3 rows in use approximately 259 liters, with third row folded approximately 898 liters, with second and third folded approximately 1,823 liters. Fuel tank, approximately 80 liters in many markets. Technology, comfort and convenience. Infotainment, large touchscreens 10-inch or 12-inch supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Digital instrument cluster, customizable display. Connectivity features, wireless phone charging pad, multiple USB ports, etc. Seats and interior, soft touch finishes in higher specs, third row with reasonable leg room, overhead vents in many versions. Drive modes terrain control, modes such as normal, eco, tow, haul, slippery, mud, ruts, sand etc. In one region, terrain management system plus selectable drive modes. Safety and off-road capability features. Off-road capable, weighting depth approximately 800 mm in some markets. Advanced driver assistance.